Yeah, this is the unboxing of the Eastman solar hybrid inverter. This is the 5 kVA, that's 5000 VA, 5000 watts, 48 volts. For the solar, it's a high voltage solar input, 120, and it can accommodate the maximum of 500 volts, and it's 22.5 amps. Okay, this is where the on and off button is. So unboxing it from the carton, these are what you see. You see a disk drive, watch power, then a manual. I think this should be an extra. Let me bring it out. This should be an extra fuse for the battery or something with the mounting rack. This is the communication wire for the, I think this should be for the lithium battery or so. Then the manual, and then it should also be okay. That's a software update. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. This is the solar input, positive and negative. This is the battery. These are the cooling fans. This is the BMS port, communication port. This is the AC in and AC out. Input breaker, the earthing screw, and then I think that's all. So this inverter, you can't parallel it because there is no option for parallel, so you can't parallel it. This is how the design looks like. It has the on and off button by the side. Eastman is a big brand, so for them to start going into hybrid ferrite inverters, it is a very big win for them. Very big win, because it's an Indian inverter. Let's look what we have here. This is how the inside looks like. These are the battery terminals. Positive and negative PV. And this thing foul.